Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. All I'm going to say is, oh my gosh, what has Dutchmen done? This is a 2026 Dutchmen Astoria, model number 3403RKP. So let's get started. The length on this Astoria is 38 feet, 11 inches. The dry weight is 11,175 with a hitch weight of 2,525 with a GVWR of 13,500. What do you say over there?
I'm a little bit speechless on this one. We haven't always looked at a whole lot of Dutchmans, but I'm going to tell you, they have really impressed me on this one. Love the interior of this, so we can't wait to get inside and show you. But let's go around the outside first really quick. Of course, I mean, like all fifth wheels, you know, this is going to have your pin up here and your storage. And let's go ahead and go down through here. Now, I will point out right off the bat, it is going to have cable-driven slides all the way around.
But just like one of our subscribers, Aaron,
yeah,
he actually had a really good one. He said cable slides are no problem unless you know how to take care of them.
Yeah, as long as it's just like owning a car. You know, you've got to put gas in it, you got to change your oil, you got to keep your coolant. Same thing with these slides. Just keep an eye on them and just kind of know how to make adjustments as needed. We know people who've had cable slides and never had an issue with theirs.
No.
So it's like anything else. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, let me get back to my rat killing here. Got propane up here at the front.
You kill rats? I'm sorry.
I might need to. We have cats for that though. Anyway, now this is not on a drop frame, but guys, this is really good storage space here. There's your leveling right in there. Your connections are here, and your tank pools are in here.
They give you a sewer caddy under here.
Yes, they do.
Wow.
So this is going to have 4-point leveling.
Oh, I'm sorry. Tankless water heater.
Right there. One of your dumps, they've lost a cap on this one, but they'll put you a cap on there if you decide that you like this one and want it. This, guys, is just really nice, clean graphics. This is already prepped with, no, it's not, well, it's prepped. It already comes with your slide toppers on this particular unit, so that is a nice plus. You do have another drain back here.
That's a gray tank. There's your pool.
Pool is right there.
What's the leveling? Is it 4-point?
It's 4-point.
Okay.
Back here on the rear, you do have a ladder to get on top. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You're going to have towing abilities up to 3,000 pounds. You're at 38 feet, so yeah, you know, it's going to make you pretty long if you decide to do that. Here on the front, whoo, traffic's loud today. You got two awnings. Front one is 14 and the one on the slide is 13, so awesome campsite coverage. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you're going to have three AC units on this, so you are not going to get hot in this one.
It's getting hot in here.
You better keep on your clothes.
Oh, wow.
I'm just saying, we ain't that kind of channel.
Okay. All right.
And trust me, nobody wants to see that kind of channel. All right, here is the other side of your pass-through storage. Again, really nice space in here. And then you've got your solar and place to hook up a TV and a plug-in and just all kinds of fun things in here. And the other propane tank.
And your spare is up front.
Oh yeah, your spare is in the front.
Yeah.
All right.
Goodness.
Let's go in and take a look, because I cannot wait for you guys to see this living room. Love these steps. I really like these.
This floor plan kind of took you by surprise.
It did, just a little bit. And we like to have friends over, so this would be amazing for that. Okay, this I know you guys have seen, but you get recliners. Oh, love that. This is going to be a rear kitchen model, and I love this one. I mean, Dutchmen really took me by surprise on this one.
Wow.
Again, we've already pointed out on the outside, you do have 3 AC units. 2 of them are in here.
These are cool.
I like these. I know some people don't like the gold trim. I think it's really cool. It's a new trend, so you're going to be seeing it for a while.
Let me just open up the top here.
Just open them all up. I mean, that is amazing storage up there. That is just, wow. And then you got pull-out garbage. And this is a solid surface in here. I love this cute little
I like what
accent
they
light.
do. I like what they do.
Look,
there.
they give you a towel bar right here. That is amazing. I love it. You're going to have a pop-up tower of power. I always say it backwards. Right there.
Oh my goodness. There we go.
Yep. If you're real interested, you can zoom in on that because there's your price list.
Hey, I didn't see that. Let me see. Ooh. Okay.
Yeah. Coming on around, you're going to have what I like to call the swanky sink because you have your cup washer and your drain, twisty thing, soap dispenser, nice high-rise faucet.
Oh man.
Big drawers over here.
Oh, soft clothes, everything.
Yeah, and I mean, guys, you have amazing room in this kitchen. So, yeah, you can get more than one person in this kitchen at a time.
It's a 2-butt kitchen.
Yeah, you might almost get 3 in here.
Mm-hmm.
Got a 3-burner cooktop, sorry, with an oven. Nice big microwave.
Ooh, goodness.
And I feel like I'm just bouncing around in here. You got a nice matching drawer underneath. Up here.
Oh, good grief.
Yeah, that's where you hide the snacks, is up there. Because I would never reach them. You have a nice residential style side by side, and your faucet, which is a great place to put it. Put it in the fridge. Why
Your
not?
little sprayer? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good place.
And right over here, this is going to be your front slide.
Oh, let's go ahead and show this. They got the big fan.
Big fan. All right.
Oh.
Here is your pantry.
And I just want to point out, it is
Yeah, it has a light.
nice.
And you got adjustable shelves. And I love that this, you can put these shelves wherever you want to. But you're not finished.
Okay, go ahead.
Because they didn't want to waste any space. So at the back of it, you've got a little bit more storage. So that would be, I don't know exactly what you would use that for, but that's right behind your table.
Now, we've got the blinds pulled because the sun is coming in here like crazy.
Yeah, and it's a little warm in here.
But look at these huge windows.
Yeah, so you have 2 massive windows on your campsite. I'm pretty sure that there's some more chairs somewhere. They may be under the bed. We'll look for them. But yeah, great freestanding table there. Heating is going to be in the cabinetry,
Yes,
not in the
Dutchman
floors.
does a good job with that.
Oh, excuse me, guys. Finishing out this front slide, they give you recliners. Now, you don't see recliners just a whole lot anymore. So I love that they did this. You got a plug in down there in between, so if you wanted to put a little table and lamp, you could easily add that. But let's turn around and, I just have to give you guys another shot of that amazing kitchen back there. But then you've got this.
That reclines.
I don't know.
Reclines,
It's just
reclines.
huge. Yeah, this giant L-shaped sofa. I think that center section there, I'm pretty sure it makes
into a bed.
It does.
Yes,
it pulls out. So you do have extra sleeping in here. And
I'm sure that this section has got to go somewhere.
Yes,
in travel.
Yeah, it disconnects and moves over. I'm not exactly sure where, but you're going to have to store it somewhere when you pull the slide in. Because, I know you strap your recliners in place, too. So.
And there's a plug-in.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Go ahead, have a seat.
See, he wasn't listening to me. I already told you guys about
I couldn't help it.
plug-in.
I'm looking at this whole,
But this slide,
taking it all in.
you have more huge windows. So you have so much natural light in here. And I really like the way they did these valances. I like that they kind of look like tweed. What do you guys think? Now, I'm not a huge fashion person, but I like the way that looks. All right, I'm going to sit right here. This is going to put me in front of my 50-inch TV.
All right, here we go.
I'm guessing.
It is a 50.
All right. And then you got storage up above it, which is actually usable storage because it's...
It will.
Yeah.
Swivel.
And then you've got two little areas below, great for remotes or things like that, and then a really nice size electric fireplace. I like this. I like this a lot. All right, let's get upstairs.
I thought you already had your plan.
I do have my
Figured
plan
out.
picked out, but this is gives me something else to consider. Now, right here as you come in the door, I'm not real sure what you would use this storage for, but it's there. So there it is. There's your controls.
Well, I put Rosie's leash in there.
Yeah, you can put your keys and wallet and stuff like that in there. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, fuses are down here. You've got
AC controls.
floating stairs going up. Now, coming into the bathroom. Okay, guys, this shower is huge. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight. We have determined that this is a
30 by 50.
50. It's huge. There is a little seat right there that you can use if you want to. So, yeah, nice big shower. Now, this is going to be your linen. I'm going to tell you that we were a little bit disappointed in the linen because there's not an actual linen cabinet. But this is going to work. I mean, you can roll your towels up and put them in there. So, because of that, this one is going to get the award, but we won't have to look for it. You've got a porcelain foot flush toilet down here, guys. I mean, you got all of this space in front of it.
Hey,
Lots and lots of legroom.
Sorry, I don't even have
Oh,
the
we didn't
lights
even
on.
turn the lights on in here.
No.
Yeah, really neat lighting around the mirror. Now, this is not a medicine cabinet, but you have all of this area under here. So, you don't need a designated medicine cabinet.
Look.
Yes, that's what I said. We had to find the plunger, but yes, this is going to get it. Now, it's not solid surface in here, but they give you dual sinks, and you have just a ton of counter space and a plug-in, and then your water heater control is over there. So, yeah, we love this.
That is awesome.
I mean, again, you just got tons of space in here. Nice window right there. And going into the main bedroom, you are going to have a king-size bed here that is on a slide.
Cool.
Yeah, got lights up there. You got reading lights, and they do actually give you roller shades in here. Blackout shades, I like that. Got a little shelf over here with a plug-in down on the wall.
Ooh.
Big storage underneath the bed. You have another shelf on this side. There's a plug-in, I'll show you, but it's not in that wall. So turning around, there's your third AC unit. Remember, there's 3 in this one. Down here at the foot of the bed, you've got a 4-drawer dresser. Super nice. And then you have a second TV in here. It looks to be about a 32-inch. Nice big window in here also. Alright. Let's see what's behind these doors.
Okay.
Storage in there.
Oh, look at here.
And of course, prepped for washer and dryer. Very nice.
Well, is the washer going over here, or dryer over here, or is it all over there?
No, it's going to be all over there because...
Yeah, I see it now. Yeah.
Yeah. Now your front...
Yeah.
Your front, what is this? Closet. Now, it's a little narrow. I mean, as you can see, you are right up at the front cap. But you got hanging all the way across, and then there's your other plug-in. So this front closet is not as big as some that we have seen, but it is definitely functional.
Now there is a vent in here, and I think that's pretty much what they had to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the bedroom. All right, guys. We want to know, what do you think, especially about these recliners? That is my selling point on this one.
Okay, I kind of like the whole thing. All right, everybody, if you love this Dutchmen Astoria fifth wheel with this huge, nice, well, it's not the biggest kitchen I've ever seen, but it is
It's
laid
very nice.
out great.
Yeah, lots of room.
All right, everybody, if you enjoyed this one, if you like it, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.